Imagine pulling onto an empty highway just as the first colors of dawn touch the sky. The world is quiet, calm, and you're not just traveling, you're gliding through your own moving sanctuary. That's the magic of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. It takes the idea of adventure and wraps it in pure luxury, turning every journey into an experience, every stop into a story, and every horizon into an invitation. This isn't about reaching a destination. This is about redefining what the journey can feel like. From the outside, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome looks like it was sculpted from a single piece of elegance. The body flows in long, uninterrupted lines, finished in a two-tone combination of royal silver and obsidian black. The signature Pantheon grille sits proudly at the front, flanked by laser-cut crystal LED headlamps that shine like jewelry. Even though it's a motorhome, it carries itself like a luxury yacht on wheels. The aerodynamic side panels reduce drag, while the raised ground clearance and all-terrain wheel arches remind you that this beauty isn't afraid to leave the smooth tarmac behind. Drive it through a city and people stare. Take it off-road and the confidence feels effortless, sculpted, stable, unstoppable. Step inside and the world outside instantly fades. Rolls-Royce has created a living space that feels more like a private luxury suite than a motorhome. Soft, hand-stitched leather wraps the seating, while the walls are finished with open-pore wood and illuminated crystal inlays that glow softly at night. The lounge area transforms from a social gathering spot to a cozy movie nook with just a touch. The kitchen features marble countertops, a silent induction stove, a hidden refrigerator, and storage that glides open like magic. The bedroom, well, that's where things get personal. A full-size bed, mood lighting, soundproof insulation, and panoramic side windows that frame nature like artwork. The bathroom offers a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a mirror that brightens automatically when you walk in. Every inch whispers comfort. Every detail feels handcrafted for relaxation. But luxury doesn't mean compromise on the road. Underneath this masterpiece sits a powerful hybrid V12, whisper quiet, incredibly smooth, and capable of handling long-distance travel with ease. The eDrive system offers silent electric cruising for up to 150 kilometers, perfect for peaceful nature routes or nighttime city arrivals. The all-wheel steering and intelligent terrain response system give you confidence on mountain roads, muddy trails, and rocky paths alike. You don't drive this motorhome, you guide it, and it listens. And because this is Rolls-Royce, technology and safety feel almost invisible. A full satellite navigation suite, adaptive cruise control, laser-guided parking assist, 360-degree cameras, automatic leveling when parked, and a premium 3D sound system that turns the cabin into a concert hall. Onboard Wi-Fi 6, satellite internet, smart lighting, and voice-controlled features make everything feel effortless. You're always connected, always safe, always in control. For sustainability, the rooftop solar panels quietly recharge auxiliary batteries, reducing generator use and saving energy. The hybrid powertrain cuts fuel consumption dramatically, letting you travel farther with a smaller footprint. Now, Rolls-Royce luxury never comes cheap, and this motorhome follows that tradition proudly. With a price expected between $1.4 to $1.7 million, it's not just a vehicle, it's an investment in a lifestyle of freedom, comfort, and exploration. So imagine this: the sun setting, your home glowing softly behind you, and a road that leads anywhere you want. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't just about traveling. It's about living without limits. If adventure had a luxury edition, this is it. Pack your dreams, choose a direction, and let the journey begin.